Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option About Device. Here let's scroll down again and go to the version and localize the version number. And now all we have to do here is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. So simply do it, no worries. That's normal. After activating the developer options, we have to go back to the general list of the settings, which is right here, and then tap on System and Update. Now let's tap on Developer Options, which is at the very bottom of the list, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So among others, we can open the background check, disable USB audio routing, show view updates, change window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected with the no working overall. And basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you wish to turn it on, just tap on the switcher next to it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. Your device will ask you to restart itself. I mean, it needs to be restarted in order to fully turn off the developer options. So just tap on Restart, which is right here. And your device will automatically perform the whole operation. And after that, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. I don't want to do it now. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step or version number step actually, and keep tapping on it to activate developer options. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.